So I've never carved a pumpkin in my life, ever.
And today we are carving a pumpkin.
We're gonna draw or carve this emoji onto our pumpkin. We chose it because it's my most frequently used emoji.
We're gonna try to carve a spooky face. Jillian will be doing most of the work.
So we're going for a realistic kind of Boston Terrier. Yeah, this is what we're going for.
That's the goal.
Yeah. Yeah. And let's begin. Resistance. Oh, no, don't force it.
Oh.
Don't force it.
Oh.
Don't force it. Ooh. Okay,
It's opening.
Pull it up. What?
Yay!
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna take out the guts.
All right, go for it. Okay. Oh, this feels weird.
Oh, it feels so weird.
It's looking pretty good.
Yeah. Now we're gonna sketch out our design. No pressure, no pressure. No pressure.
I'm so nervous. Wow. A work of art.
Oh, no. No. Wait, okay, let's try to wipe it off.
This is the general idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
Like this guy.
Okay.
Okay.
When's the cutoff age for trick-or-treating? When do you
Okay,
stop
I have a
trick-or-treating?
very,
That's a better
I've been
question.
told I have a very dramatic opinion on this. I think I trick-or-treated until like my sophomore year in high school.
Oh, what are you gonna be for Halloween?
I was a football for Halloween last year. You were a football? Yeah, football. I was a Starbucks cup the year before.
This is pretty easy.
Oh yeah.
First eyebrows out.
Almost done with the second eyebrow.
Why doesn't this come out? Really? Yeah.
So the mouth is like halfway out.
Wow.
Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah! Oh my gosh. Wow, this actually worked. So I think I might be done.
He's a little dirty.
Yeah, but
Okay.
he's litty. He's litty,
I
guys.
think we're ready for our reveal.
Yes. Here we go. All right, okay, let's turn it around.
Ta-da!
Nice.
I'd give us a solid pumpkin out of 10.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay!
How do you think we did?
I think we did well. It turned out a lot better than I expected, for sure.
Here's the reveal of a Red the Terrier. I think he looks really good. Yeah, I think so too. I'm so glad you finally got to carve a pumpkin. Thanks, I'm glad too. Yes, it's officially Halloween. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!